Here's another trade from the green room. Similar setup, not exactly the same as the others that I showed you, but a reversal on what's called a trader pivot line. Now, other trades I've showed you, we look to the left to see if there's some price support there. There was none today. 65-minute chart. If you go to the daily chart, the price support was down here. It doesn't mean it has to get down there. So we use a subjective reference point like a trader pivot line. Below here, I've got the NYSE tick. How many stocks are trading on ticks versus down ticks at any moment in time? So in the room, as prices came down to here the first time, sellers were still in control. It pops back up, it comes back down again. And I said, if we get a tick extreme, as it comes down here, to reverse back up again. A retest and reversal pattern. So we get the tick extreme, and there's this big red bar to the downside. And I was like, wow, all the setups, all of the indices hit lower at the same time. And it broke the low, and we looked for it to break the low, and then it turned back up again. I said, buy above this high. So we got in. As it moved up, we sold half near the high of the day. We sold the rest up near this pivot line up there. As you can see, it continued to go up. So buyers have been in control on the way up. And now I think it's coming up to a point where if we get a retest, I'm going to look to short that. Why? Because the 65-minute is in a downtrend and it's filled this gap. And at that point, we're going to see if sellers take control, it'll flip all the way back to the downside again. Keeping an eye on crude oil today, which was the big news, as it gapped up and began to come in. If that turns back up, it's going to put pressure on the equity market. So come see us in the green room. Let's look for these trades, join in, learn, and earn.